No one can dispute that we've moved past the uncertainty of whether Bitcoin would survive, go bankrupt, be outlawed, hacked, or lose its top status after a decade of speculation. BTC is more important than ever, and institutions are starting to adopt this genuinely exceptional commodity, which is poised to change the world. Even nation-states have started embracing it. It is a groundbreaking technological achievement with a faster adoption rate than the internet and a ton of potential. In this video, we are going over the reasons why BTC is going to reach $1 million. Interesting, huh? Stay tuned to find out more, and if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into it. Despite the creation of a contentious crypto rescue fund by industry leaders, the price of Bitcoin has fallen by over 75% from its all-time high during the past year, suffering a catastrophic drop. The entire crypto market, which some believe is heading for oblivion, has lost over $2 trillion due to the shock exchange closures and the impending regulatory crackdown that have affected the price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin is expected to skyrocket to a staggering $1 million per Bitcoin by 2030, according to one of the most bullish voices in the cryptocurrency industry. This prediction was made despite the potential of another crisis engulfing the crypto market. Following the abrupt collapse of significant Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange FTX this month, ARK Investment Management CEO Cathie Wood told Bloomberg, "We think Bitcoin is coming out of this smelling like a rose." As a result of its decentralized design and a limited quantity of 21 million coins, Bitcoin is said to be uniquely immune to the present cryptocurrency crisis, according to its proponents. This makes it different from other cryptocurrencies and the issues that crypto firms are currently facing. In recent years, ARK, a major backer of Elon Musk's Tesla and other high-growth technology firms, has made significant investments in Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrency companies. During this year's harsh bear market, ARK doubled down on these bets. Legendary investor Cathie Wood of ARK Invest made headlines in the cryptocurrency community in April with a stunning $1 million price forecast for Bitcoin, BTC 0.53%. Of course, that was before the market crash. The $1 million price target for Bitcoin has been reaffirmed by ARK Invest 6 months later. After crunching the calculations, the investment company concluded that Bitcoin's 3 primary use cases might sustain a market cap of $28 trillion in the future, or more than $1 million per coin. The computation by ARK Invest's team to get that $28 trillion market valuation number included a brand new use case for Bitcoin, an insurance policy against arbitrary asset seizure. This is perhaps referring to the worries that many libertarian Bitcoin supporters have about all governments. According to ARK Invest, buying Bitcoin could be a means for consumers to safeguard their savings from being taken by the government. Mind blown. Unlawful asset seizure. Until recently, arbitrary asset confiscation was confined to dystopian literature like George Orwell's 1984. Governments couldn't just take your money unless there was criminal conduct or some other transgression involved. But take a look at what's going on in modern Western society. People are being deplatformed and debanked, depending on their opinions, extremely quickly. It appears that financial services companies are beginning to descend the same slippery slope as big tech social media companies in their efforts to ban, censor, and deplatform users who hold particular views or opinions. This has given these companies more confidence. Take a peek at what Kanye West is going through right now. Based on the problematic and extremely offensive things Kanye West has stated in public and online, JP Morgan Chase is now looking to dissolve its partnership with him. Similar criticism was recently leveled at payment services behemoth PayPal over its contentious proposal to charge users $2,500 for each time they disseminate false material online. PayPal, to its credit, instantly retracted this and apologized. To avoid all of these, confiscation of their assets, ARK is suggesting that buying Bitcoin could be a way to safeguard their savings. Censorship versus Bitcoin. ARK Invest mentioned that Bitcoin is censorship-resistant in a recent Bloomberg TV interview. This suggests that using Bitcoin removes the worry of censorship, allowing you to say things that may be against the terms of service of a particular network. A sovereign government will never be able to go inside your cryptocurrency wallet and see what you have there, according to ARK Invest's claim that Bitcoin is non-sovereign, just in case they take offense to what you're writing about them online. This situation was played out earlier this year in Canada when the Trudeau administration tried to freeze the bank accounts of anyone helping the truckers' convoy in Ottawa. Debanking the opposition seems to be the simplest method to quiet it. From this vantage point, using Bitcoin might be a method to get around the current system and protect your assets from being seized. This can be yet another advantage of cryptocurrencies. 10 years ago, criminals were the ones attempting to conceal from the government their shady operations. This time, it's those who don't believe that independent governments will act morally. This is not to claim that this is the only motivation for investing in Bitcoin. The vast majority of investors just want to profit. Crypto aficionados have already urged Kanye West to start a new cryptocurrency or buy Bitcoin to stop debanking. Kanye West has already been seen in public wearing a Satoshi Nakamoto baseball cap as a homage to the unidentified person who created Bitcoin, which may not come as a surprise. The three bases upon which Bitcoin is valued. Of course, the ARK Invest team is not advocating that the main factor supporting a $1 million price for Bitcoin is the concern over censorship and asset seizure. The use cases for Bitcoin can be stacked on top of one another to arrive at a final valuation, a crypto analyst for the company stated in a Bloomberg TV interview. Bitcoin's main application is as a type of digital gold or store of value. The network for payments and settlements is the second application for Bitcoin. The third and last use case is the insurance policy against arbitrary asset confiscation. Bitcoin's price of $1 million may seem ludicrous and unrealistic now, but if society continues to try to debank those it disapproves of, it might not seem so far-fetched in a few years. The only individuals who will be in a position to speak honestly at that time may be those who had the foresight to convert their fiat currency to cryptocurrency. To witness the survivors and put the infrastructure and thesis to the test, Wood added, "You need to go through disasters." Additionally, according to Wood, institutional investors who have been watching the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets from the sidelines for years will soon feel confident enough to participate in Bitcoin and even Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. I believe they may actually feel more at ease moving into Bitcoin and possibly Ether as a first stop after they truly do the study and grasp what's transpired, according to Wood. Another reason why Bitcoin could reach $1 million could be, according to its white paper, it is the first entirely peer-to-peer electronic currency system. It enables direct digital transactions without the use of a middleman. Since it was founded in 2009, BTC has never been breached or compromised, and the network as a whole regularly audits the code. Bitcoin is completely decentralized. It is not dependent on any one organization. The network is run by open source code and is not owned or controlled by any individual, business, or government. BTC is one of the only methods for people in hyperinflationary nations, such as Venezuela, Argentina, Zimbabwe, etc., to own non-depreciating assets over the long run. BTC has its benefits, and these benefits will increase its use, and the usage of it will increase its value. But are we going to see Bitcoin at $1 million per coin? Well, fingers crossed on that one. But does Bitcoin have the potential to reach $1 million? It does. Not even in this era where banks and governments cannot be trusted. People will tend to move more into cryptocurrency because nobody is bamboozling you on the money that's yours. Let's see how it unfolds. Whether it's going to reach a whooping sum of $1 million per coin or not, time will tell. There you have it. Thank you for staying through to the end. Do you think Bitcoin will rise to $1 million per coin? Drop your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also turn on your notification to get notified on our videos as they are being posted on the channel.